Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to send Slack messages through Claude AI. So to get started, you're going to want to sign into your Claude account as I've done so here, and you're going to want to navigate to the connectors page. We can do so by clicking on the customize button on the left hand side of our screen, clicking on connectors, and then clicking on add connector, then browse connectors at the top. So this opens up the catalog of useful platforms and applications that you might want to link to your Claude account. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on the search bar at the top and we're just going to type in Slack. As you can see, I already have it linked to mine. That's why you see a settings icon instead of a plus icon. But go ahead and click on that and then sign into your Slack account once prompted. Once you do so, you should have it here in your connectors list. And that means you've successfully linked it. So now you should have your Slack account fully integrated into your Claude workspace. So you can do things like pull your message history from Slack, ask Claude to summarize them, and then maybe update your calendar based on those messages.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish AI tutorials regularly, helping you guys to learn and to use the latest AI tutorials. And so if you're finding these videos helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when we release future videos to come. Now let's continue.
You can also use Claude to start sending out messages on your behalf and just really reduce the amount of effort it takes to communicate with other people in your team. So let's say, for example, I want you to write a draft to my team members in Slack, or I want you to write a draft message for my Slack channel, and I want you to write a message about a team meeting scheduled this Friday at 2 p.m. Manila time. So here we go. It's going to take a minute or two to create a response. And whenever Claude needs a bit more input, it should prompt you if ever. There you go. So now we just have to tell it which channel to post it in. So let's say we want to post it in the social channel, post the message in the social channel, and you can also ask it to revise your message if this first draft doesn't sound as good to you. So let's say, for example, I want you to rewrite the draft to make it sound a bit more casual and light-hearted. Go ahead and send that message into the channel. So once that's done, you can see there's a message prepared and all you have to do is click on send. So once you've done that, you've successfully sent the message to your Slack channel. We go ahead and check it out. As you can see, this is the exact message that we had Claude write for us. So it's just a really nice way to streamline your communications process, especially if you're dealing with multiple Slack channels at a single time. That's going to be it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.